you guys? Thanks so much for coming back to see another video, and this is extra special because it's Christmas and I'm so excited. I had to go all out. I had to do the glitter. I had to do the green. It all had to happen. If I'm blurry right now, I'm really sorry. I can't tell. It is Christmas. It is the reason for the season. It is holiday season. Jingle bells, sleigh rides, all that. I'm loving it. I'm so feeling it. You guys should check out Ellie Darby. I will put her in one of these corners. And she is from the UK, I believe, and she has got me in the vibe, in the spirit for Christmas. And I really feel like if you guys check her out before Christmas, you'll really be feeling it. And yeah, so I hope you guys are feeling this Christmas look. I'm really feeling it. Just against my blue eyes is just like, whoa, I'm really just loving it. I'm really thankful for the Christmas season, you guys. It means so much to me. I hope it means a lot to you too. I hope that you are happy in this season. If you're not, I'm praying for you. I love you guys so much, and if you want to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. Y'all want to know what's so weird? As soon as I take off my makeup, like my eyeshadow that I was wearing earlier in the day, my eyes get tired when I take off my makeup. I feel like it's my brain thinking, we're about to go to bed, so let's get sleepy. Can anyone relate to that? I mean, that's how I feel. Alright, you guys, I'm so excited. I know y'all are. You know what I'm going to bring back out today? This BH Cosmetics palette. And the goal, obviously, is to do red. So I also have the BH Cosmetics Modern Matte 28 shade palette. And it's got a beautiful red in it right here. And then the Ultimate palette has this beautiful red in it. So what I want to do is maybe use that brighter first one as a transition. Not a transition, but kind of like as a start, and then go in with the deeper one after. I'm going to see how this 506 brush does with packing, and if I don't like it, then we'll switch to a shader brush. But I feel like this little brush works so well for me when I pack on colors instead of blending. I don't know why. Oh my gosh, this is so red. I don't think I've ever done a red look, you guys, and y'all are in for a surprise. Not really, because I mean, I do it all the time, but I have glitter. I don't feel like I haven't done a winged eyeliner in forever, but today is not the day, I don't think. So, I had a little bit of hateration the other day, which I guess is a good sign, because when you're getting hated on, like, people see you doing well. It was a person I used to be friends with, and they just came out of the blue and they were like, you sure put in a lot of work to only get a small amount of views. And I was just like, not today, Satan. Like, what? Who just comes out of the blue and wants to offend you? Like, I felt offended because you came out of the blue with it. If we had talked and, you know, made a general conversation initially, then you could have said maybe something along those lines, but not just out of nowhere, out of the blue. I was like, I must be doing something right because you are hating. And honestly, it is not easy to get people to watch your videos. It's not, because there's so many people doing it, and it's kind of like you have to fight your way for people's attention. And honestly, like, all I want is to show you really fun, cool looks, encourage you, just to kind of show you who I am and how I live and stuff like that. And, like, I'm not here for the free makeup, I'm not here for PR, I'm not here for anything free. I'm just here because this is what I want to do. I didn't know that you could have a career and a future by doing makeup on YouTube, and then I started seeing all these people doing it, and I'm like, that's my dream, because I've always been into it, always, and I feel like it's such a passion. I'm willing to put in the work. I'm willing to do, you know, whatever it takes. Honestly, like, right now I do pharmacy, and I'm depending on my YouTube to actually, you know, further myself, because pharmacy is great, but you can only go as far as a technician. You can't do anything else until you go back to school to become a pharmacist. And honestly, like, I thought that was what my plan was, to go back to school, and I even applied, and I even signed up for my very first class when I lived in Texas, and I just felt so uneasy about it. I felt like I was doing something just so wrong. You know that feeling in the pit of your stomach, and you're just like, this is not right? That's how I felt. And I am glad that I didn't, because shortly after I applied, we moved, and that would have been really just stressful to transfer college and stuff like that and get used to a whole new, setup back here in Memphis. And I just felt like that was another sign that was just like, maybe pharmacist is not for you. Maybe that's not what you should be doing. Maybe that's not what God's plans are, you know what I mean? Yeah, wow. I like this blend a lot. Now I'm going to switch to the Ultimate Matte Palette, the bigger one, and use that red that I showed you. I'm taking a Royal and Lang Nickel eyeshader brush. I always thought this was a Real Techniques brush until I looked at it just the other day and I was like, what? And I'm dipping into that red color, and I think I'm just going to place it all over the lid. But yeah, so, yeah, like I thought, like if I need more money, because nowadays it's so expensive to move out on your own and live on your own when you're just a single person. And I thought, if I need more money, I need to be going back to school to become a pharmacist, because I'm in pharmacy already. And I know that I like pharmacy, but then, like, just like any other job, it becomes like mundane, you know what I mean? I don't say it too much where I work now, but where I worked previously, it was just such a mundane type of job. Like, you're just doing the same activity, especially in retail. I want to live for like more, you know what I mean? Like, I want to have bigger purpose. It's such a big purpose, to give people medicine when they're sick. I feel ya. But like, for me to be able to be on YouTube and to influence a lot of people, by the way I live, by my beliefs and whatnot, that's a really big deal. And to also do makeup, which is something that I completely have loved since ever, it's just really special, and I just want to keep going. So like that rude person who decided to hate on me recently, they can just take that. What do you want me to do? I'm not gonna quit. So this is what it is. This is what I'm gonna do until it will provide for me. And that's just what it is. That's why I'm like a really big on like intuition, and not like intuition from yourself, but like an inner knowing. And I honestly believe God gives it to you, and like that's why I really depend on that, because some things may not have worked out the way they did if I hadn't have just listened. Okay, so this looks really, really good. I kind of want to deepen it up even more, so I'm going to go into this red color. It's going to work, guys. It is going to work. So I'm just patting it on the lid. Now I'm going to take my 514 and go back into one of the red shades and just kind of blend that dark shade back in. But yeah, like my goal is not to be famous. My goal is to have a career off of YouTube. One day open up maybe my own type of business or something. I'm not really sure yet. It's funny because some looks I feel like take so much effort, and then some looks take like no effort. Ooh, that is my signature like gesture for when glitter's about to come. I swear. Alright guys, so now we're going to take our little 514 brush and we're going to use a lighter green on the under eye, and then we're going to slowly buff it into a dark green. So I kind of want to be a little careful. I want to blend the red and the green. What does red and green make? It doesn't matter what I tell my family when I'm recording, they're just still loud. This is so gorgeous! Ah! I want to be so loud and extra about it right now, but I'm not gonna.
Swiffer, stop licking. It sounds disgusting.
Okay, that green was from the Modern Matte Palette. Now I'm going back to the new 42 Matte Palette. I'm going to start with the 506 brush. I'm going to go into that dark green color and just kind of buff it right underneath my lashes, my bottom lashes. Then I'm just going back into the green and layering that on top so it can kind of be, ooh, it kind of reminds me of like a cucumber. Low-key reminds me of a watermelon. I'm just forever stuck in like summer. And I really love summer. It's not about me today. It's about Jesus. Happy birthday, Jesus. Look at the red against my blue eyes. It's like poppin'. Okay, so I have this little radiant liquid, the liquid eyeshadow. I'm going to add it to the inner corner. I'm probably going to add a gold highlight on top of this inner corner just to kind of blend it a little bit because it is liquid, so it doesn't blend as great. And then I'm going to finish up this look and we'll be done, y'all. Here is the final look, you guys. What do you think? I'm over here like side-eyeing my mirror to see if there's lipstick in my teeth because me and red lipstick just do not have like good history. It just transfers on my teeth and it's really embarrassing. So this is an Urban Decay matte lipstick and I'm really feeling it right now. I feel like it's a lot of red, but no complaints. I love it. I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas. I hope you celebrate the reason for the season, everything like that. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. I thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. Any suggestions, let me know. I'm always open. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
You guys see that? I feel like my light is bright again.